Okay guys, hope you're well. We're going to Ask Scruff. Now this one is, it's kind of looking at a trade I did yesterday, but they might have picked it up slightly wrong. So let me flick it over. A little salute to you, VK. Been following your channel for a few months and appreciate your efforts. Thank you very much. I have a quick question about pound JPY trade yesterday. Do you reassess your bias once you're already in the trade? I do and I don't. I'll explain that. The trade seemed to run for at least a couple of hours, picked up 4 of your 5 positions during the pullback, and the bias would have likely shifted to sell on the 15-minute and 5-minute, while the 1 hour would have been uncertain. How do you maintain conviction? Right, it's very simple. It's quite a bit to unpack. So firstly, once I've got a bias in place and a trade in place, that's it. It's in stone, and I'm going to manage that to a positive expectation or a negative expectation. Now, in that trade, I knew where I was getting out. I knew how far I was going to stage into it, and then therefore I had to let it play out. The 5-minute and the 15-minute will always change around, and this is one of the things with traders that oh my god, the market's turned direction on the 5-minute. I've got to get out. Why? The general direction will still be the same. It's just a pullback. Rarely a market will run the way it is. That's why I have my rules, which you'll find in the Madness modules, of what the stages are. And as long as those stages are still in place, which they were in that scenario, I'll hold that trade. I'll hold it all day. It never hit the 5th trade, so there was no warning to get out. It was just a case of, right, it's gone to 4 of them. Brilliant. I've got a better position in. The premise of the direction was still there because the higher time frames, which is where I work, told me they were still there. So therefore, I will just hold that trade. I'd already agreed to the loss if it gets hit, and then I just manage the win to something that I feel is comfortable. And as per the rules on my sheet, it achieved the money amount that I needed, pull the plug, and then I quit for the day. That's it. That's all I do. Too many people look at too low in the chart because they see all the videos of 1-minute traders and 5-minute traders going, oh, this is where the action is. No chance. Absolutely no chance. The trading inside of noise. And when you do that, it's never sustainable. Hourly, 4-hour, daily. That's where you'll get your main idea of direction from. The only difference is you've got to wait for it. And if you can't wait, well, unfortunately, there's a lot of people going to be upset by this statement. You shouldn't be trading because you're gambling. And that's it. So that's how I control it. I already agree to the trade and have it mapped out before I press the button. If I get tagged in early, fine, I get tagged in early. And then that's where Madness takes over. Madness capitalizes on the movement against me, reduces exposure, increases the upside, and allows me to trade from a very calm and peaceful manner. And that's what you see every day. So hope that helps. Catch you soon.